Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save YouTube music from YouTube to your phone gallery or your files. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser. After opening up your browser, you have to just simply go to search bar and simply search for youtube.com and make sure that you have connected with your Gmail account. So after connecting it with your Gmail account, make sure that you have created a channel on YouTube. So after that, you have to simply click on your profile. So after clicking on your profile, simply click on YouTube Studio. So after simply clicking on YouTube Studio, it will take some time and YouTube Studio will be open to you. So now what you have to do is here you have to just simply go to the last option, which is YouTube library. So you have just to simply click on it. So after simply clicking on it, now it will open up the complete library of the audios which YouTube have unfold for you. These all are the free, copyright free music you guys can use in any of your videos and free of cost. So it's pretty simple, and you guys can also search for any music according to your moods, according to your genres, according to artist name, duration, mood, genre, track title, attribution required. So you guys can add any of the filter, and you guys can check, or you guys can use any of the music according to your moods. And you, for testing the sound, you guys can just simply click on this play button to play the music. And if you want to download the music, you guys can just simply click on this option to simply download the music from your files. So you have to simply click on it and download will be started. And in this way you guys can use and download YouTube music to your YouTube music from YouTube library to your files or your device. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.